Well, hi everyone, it's Miss Rhonda again. So we're going to do some more recipes with pumpkin. And of course, before I begin cooking, I always wash my hands very, very well. And you know that is a very, very important clean rule to do. So once I've got started, I got my ingredients out. I had some leftover pumpkin from that pumpkin oatmeal I made, which was delicious. And I decided I'd do something else really simple. I simply softened some butter and I added a little bit of honey, and then I put a little pumpkin pie spice and I stirred it together and made a pumpkin butter. You can see it's really bright and orange, so all those nutrients are really, really in there. And I can put that on a baked potato. Sweet potato would be delicious. The pumpkin oatmeal I just made would be wonderful with a little bit of pumpkin butter in it. So you can use that to flavor it. Anything that you like to put a little butter in, that maybe want a few more pumpkin taste in things this time of year especially. So the other thing that we enjoyed doing with pumpkin in class was the pumpkin dip. We ate it with apple slices. So I usually just soften a package of cream cheese. I use the Greek yogurt cream cheese, lower in fat, higher in protein. There's also a low fat cream cheese that you can use, a little better for you. It has some calcium in it and some of the important things we need from the dairy group. So I softened that and I added to one package of cream cheese, I add 1/2 of a can of pumpkin. I put about 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. I use brown sugar Splenda. I only use a couple of tablespoons. I'm trying to watch my sugars, so I just chose to do that for me. You don't have to. I also put in a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and I usually get my beater, my cake beater, and beat it up really, really well, and it turns really light and fluffy in color. And then we have this delicious dip that we can dip our apples in or anything, and it makes a great little snack for everyone that's full of nutrients, so a little bit better for you. So I hope you'll enjoy making the pumpkin butter and the pumpkin dip. And I hope to see you guys next time. Enjoy.